Well, if you haven't already, please do check out the US summer forecast. There is some confliction between my thinking and what the models are suggesting, and there's probably still a part of me that is holding on to that aspect where I just feel there's things that just don't seem to kind of add up. But thanks for clicking on to the Friday edition of Vogan's US Outlook. We do have a lot of heat. We could be talking about a heat wave. In fact, if it hits 90 in places between DC and mainly New York City, not so much Boston, but today would be the third straight 90-degree day, which would constitute the first heat wave of 2018 in this part of the country. Of course, last weekend we were talking about snow. This late weekend, or late week, should I say, we are talking about plenty of hot weather. But there is a cool down coming up as we push into the weekend across this region of the country. In today's video, however, I want to look at the latest CFSV2 monthlies, which incorporate, we're going to look at June, July and August. And you can see here that generally speaking, what's interesting about June is that we have got the warmest conditions stacked up further towards the north. No blowtorch, but certainly warmer than normal, especially across the northern plains extending down through the mid-Mississippi and lower Mississippi Valley. Warm in the west, of course, and warm up into New England. We've got some kind of moderately above normal across the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. Looking at the month of July, and you can see here what's quite interesting is there is no major heat to speak about in the areas that are driest. Of course, I'm talking about the Four Corners region, extending up into Utah and eastwards towards Oklahoma and Texas, where we've got extreme drought at the moment. And this is the confliction that I'm talking about. Is there something I'm not seeing? That's what I'm trying to get at, because it is indicating that we've got cooler than normal across the northern Rockies, the northern plain states, warmer than normal across the south, but it just doesn't look as if it's going to be a big deal at all. And then of course the month of August, cool in the north, subtly warmer than normal in the south, but certainly it is going against the grain when it comes to my overall thinking with regards to the summer. So a few thoughts this Friday afternoon. Do check out the written post for the contrast between last weekend and 3 days later it was in the 90s, of course, across the northeast. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next few days with more. Bye for now.